Welcome to Fundoo Kids World. Today we are going to make a paper line. We can use some colorful stickers, scissors, cutter, scale, gum, pencil or tape, colorful or sparkle. We will mark this paper 10.5. Cut it like this. It's 10.5 centimeters. We'll keep it aside. Then take another paper and then cut it like this. 5 by 5 squares. Then you have to paste it like this. On another side, you have to put some gum. And then from another piece or side of paper, you have to paste it. Hold it for some time. Then hold it for some time. Looks like this. Take golden tape and then paste it like this. Then half it and paste it like this. When it is bigger, then cut it. My tape is bigger. I will cut it. Then paste the golden tape like this. Cut it like this. Not the line fold, just a circular fold. And then you have to staple it. Like this. Now we'll put tape on the sides of the cylinder. Like this. Spread it. Now on another side. Paste it like this on this cylinder, like this, and another one. Looking beautiful. Now we'll start to paste stickers, star, dots or rows. In the center we will place sheet on red sheet. We will paste the yellow sheet on the red sheet from only the upper side. Now we will cut the lines. It is looking so beautiful, but it is also so typical. Yes, but it is looking so beautiful. Let's paste it. Okay. Now we'll turn it and take some glue. Some glue here. Some glue here. And now on the other side. Now we paste its hand into the lamp. The same we will do in this. We will put some glue and paste it like this. Then hold it for some time. Then hold it from. How beautiful are these? See how beautiful are these? We will meet in the next episode of Diwali. Bye for today. Bye. Bye.